Welcome to our channel Chinmay and Chaturya Toys. Today we will tell you how to make Play-Doh. It's lockdown, so it's boring, no? So we got an idea. We can make Play-Doh at home or clay, and you can play with them. It's very easy without cooking also. You need oil, salt, 2 spoons of flour, how much ever water. Don't put so much, it's hot water. You can make Play-Doh with these 4 ingredients only. Put the 1 spoon of salt in flour, and in this flour only I'll add 1 spoon of oil and water. I'm gonna mix it now. Now I'm gonna mix it. If it's dry, you should put some more water, but it's not dry for me. After mixing for some minutes, I got this type of dot. No, I made a couple of them only. 5 of them. I made 5 of them only. And I'm gonna, if you don't have food color, you can use paint also. Nothing will happen. I'm gonna use the first yellow. I'm gonna use the first color, yellow. And then red. And the next color, I'm going to take my favorite color actually, red. Next color, my sister's favorite, pink. Of course, girls like pink. And my second favorite color, dark blue. You'll be of course bored in quarantine, no? You can use this. It's very fun to play with this Play-Doh. The next one, brown. Do you like brown? No. I'll close the last one. Now I'm gonna mix it. I'll mix pink. Okay. Oh, very nice. Wow, very nice slime. Yeah. Now it's clay, sister. Yeah, clay. She every time does these jokes. I'm mixing yellow. Which color are you mixing? Pink. I know that. Why are you mixing pink only? It's your favorite, no? Yeah. Actually, my favorite is not yellow. My favorite is red. I'm gonna mix red. I like yellow also. If we mixed all the colors, it's very beautiful. This is yellow. This is red. It's very dark. Yeah. This is also very dark. It's dark blue. I like it. My sister mixed it very well pink. Actually, in clay, my sister mixed it, so I like it. It's very softer than others. This is chocolate. Like chocolate. But don't eat. It's not edible. It's clay. Yeah. Now we are gonna show you how I'm gonna make a mold and show you.
Now,
Which mold are you gonna take, sister?
the puppy.
No. Oh, I'm gonna take a house. Yeah. Yeah. Mine is done. You should just put it like that. Do it like this. See, I got a house. Nice and soft.
Now I'm gonna do puppy. Come on. Wow. Please help me.
Okay. I'll do it.
Yeah.
I'll do.
I'll do others. Pink.
Yeah.
Puppy.
I got a puppy.
Plane. Now I'm doing pink with aeroplane.
That means you have a pink aeroplane.
Yeah.
I have a blue elephant. The molds matches the blue color, no sister?
Yeah.
For the red rabbit, I like rabbit. Yeah. The red one is coming.
Right. Wow. So now I'm gonna remove. Here is helicopter.